Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this manicure. Really easy and cool, fun designs using decals that I found off of Amazon along with some other products as well. So let's get started. Alright, first up, I'm going to use these little mats to protect my countertop, and it also helps my camera focus on my nails. Yeah, I should probably not do my nails, but I'm gonna do them anyways because, ouch. Absolutely no buffing today because my nails have been through it, that's clear. Starting with this Beetles nail glue, and I'm just going to add the smallest, thinnest coat of this directly to my nails and cure it under the light. With this particular product, I do recommend doing one nail at a time, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. This is a great technique to use if you are like me and have a nail biting problem or excessively do your nails, maybe just had to remove some acrylic nails, maybe because you're trying to cut down on costs and what have you. This is a really great way to protect your nails as you grow them out. Okay, so this is what my nails look like after a second coat of that nail gel. Alcohol pads are super convenient, taking off any of that sticky residue that might be left from the nail glue. This is also a good time to do any shaping if you need to. The gel is really hard and you can buff and cut into it if you have to, but I don't. It's just laying on top of my nails that are already extremely short. So we're gonna move on with paint. So we have glitter on deck. This is in the shade number 1121. I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this and then curing it directly into the light. Then moving on to the next nail, I'm going to be using these 2 shades from Beetles and creating a quick French tip. Now I've seen so many artists use a striper brush, which is like a really fine brush, but this is my preferred method on how to create those really like crisp lines. And I just use a brush and some acetone. This brush was only like $2 off of Amazon as well. It's from e.l.f. and it's my favorite. It's my go-to. Anytime I lose it, I freak out and I just have to order it again. On my pinky, I have Creme de la Femme from Gelish. It's pretty pricey nail polish brand, but it's well worth the money on this particular shade. It's just my favorite. I'll put a link to that in the description below. This one here is from a set that you can find off of Amazon, and it is part of like cat eyes, so you're going to need a little magnet to create the design. I'll make sure to show you guys what it looks like in the light so you can get the whole vibe of this manicure. I'm sure you can use stickers, but there is a difference between nail decals, which are nail stickers, than like stickers that you would put like in a craft book or something like that, you know? So I'm sure you can get away with it with certain ones, but these are just really nice quality decals that look almost hand painted, especially when you top it off with a top coat or some more of that clear gel that we used in the beginning of this tutorial. Now, as I'm curing my thumb in this little light that I got from Target, I definitely suggest if you are just getting started to go with this kit from Beetles. It comes with tons of nail tips for gel extensions, but it also comes with the light and the nail glue that I used for this manicure, but you can use it for so many others as well. And it's just a best price. If you buy them separately, it's so much money, but the set together, it's around $20 to $25 depending on the sale. So take advantage of that, especially if you're looking to get started. I'm just going to finish off the rest of my nails with some random decals. So I have some eyeballs, some chrome stars, and of course my little happy face. Real quick, this is the opposite hand. So I did purple French tip, a solid glitter. I did another one of those cat eye nails, added a little white Old English J, happy face, and some chrome stars on my thumb. I'm adding some cuticle oil and my manicure is complete. And as always, everything will be listed in the description box down below. Let me know if you guys want to see some more tutorials like this by leaving me a comment in the comment section below or giving me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or need any recommendations, let me know there as well. And that's it.